Good morning. So today's theme we are going to talk about the introduction to computers, and our objective is to know and understand the functions of the components, eh? and to understand the functions and the components. So, what is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that accepts data as an input, process it, stores it, and produce useful information, which is an output. Okay, so moving on, we have four components of a computer. So, what are those four components? We have a keyboard, a mouse, a system unit, as well as a monitor. So, we have a PC here. I'm just going to show you guys what is a monitor. A monitor is a screen we can all see. So, this is the one that displays our information when one is using a computer. It can show videos, it can show images, and yeah, it can display a lot, even numbers, even pictures, and so forth, so forth. So we are going to continue with a keyboard. A keyboard is something that we use to enter data, letters, numbers, and command it in a computer. We have a keyboard here. It has letters as well as numbers. So when we are typing our assignments or letters, we use a keyboard. Moving on, we have a mouse. A mouse is what we use to point or select. We drag it along the sensor. You can the cursor. You can it will show on the monitor. We are always using computers as computers learners, ne? Eh? Yes. So with the monitor, with the mouse, we select, we click, and then we open on the computer screen. The next, we have a system unit. A system unit, just a small term, it's a brain of the computer. This is where the magic happens. So it contains the main internal components of a computer. It has a CPU, it has a RAM, as well as a storage. So coming, and then we have, so next time we are going to talk about input and output. But let me just give you small information on what is an input, what the keyboard is an input, a mouse is an input as well, and a system unit is a processing or a storage. It's not an input, it's not an output, it's a processing and a storage. So with a monitor is an output. So we have come to the end of our lesson. I'm gonna quickly ask you questions just to see if you guys were following. Uh-huh. So what is a keyboard? Can one answer that? What is a keyboard?
I'm going to answer the question. A keyboard is something that we use to type in words or and so forth. But normally we use to type, like for example, when we are searching on Google, Chrome, or in Word, we are typing a letter or email. So we use keyboard for what? For typing words or numbers in order for it to display now on the monitor or the screen.
Thank you so much. You were listening. Can we have another person to tell us what is a monitor? What in the function of a monitor?
Yes, what's the question again, please?
What is the function of a monitor?
Okay, I'm going to answer the question. The function of the monitor is just simply to view whatever that you are doing on your computer.
Okay.
Can I also try, man?
Yes. Yes. Try.
The question was
What is a monitor?
a monitor.
Yes.
A monitor is a screen where we see or display it. Normally we use it for display to see whatever. If you are typing, you see what you are typing. If it's a video that you are going to watch, so it's used to come from the monitor, or we see it from the monitor.
Okay. We'll come to the end of our lesson. Um, any questions? Guys, I don't want to give you a test and then you'll be failing. Any question? So,
The question is, I just want you to emphasize a bit on the function of the keyboard. What was the function of the keyboard again?
for the keyboard we use it to type. It has letters and it has numbers on it. So when one is typing an assignment or an essay, we use a keyboard. And then let me just show you again. This is a keyboard. It has letters, it has numbers, and all the sorts that you need to use when one is typing.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay.
Also, the question. What is the function of the mouse?
The mouse. I'm so sorry, but can I just quickly draw it? Because we don't really have it here. So it's like this. We have a left and right click. So with the mouse we use it to point or select something. Yes. So we use it to point or select something and open a folder. You have saved your assignment and then you want to open it. What will you use? You're going to use a mouse. Okay. Any other question?
No.
Okay.
No question.
We have come to an end of our lesson. Thank you guys for showing up. We will see each other in the next one. Thank you.
Okay,
Have a
ma'am.
lovely day.
Likewise.